Hi, welcome back to Art Rocks. Today we'll see how to make this beautiful coral wind chime. So, to make this wind chime, you will be needing corals that look like sticks. So here I've taken 9 of them, and then you'll be needing a coral that looks like a rock. If you don't have a coral that looks like a rock, you can also use a rock. Then you'll be needing thread. You can use any thread of your choice. Next, you'll be needing a wooden circle. I have taken a wooden circle of 10.5 centimeter diameter. Then you'll be needing another wooden circle, and this one is of 4.5 centimeter diameter and it has a hole in the center. Then you'll be needing a plastic hoop of 2 centimeter. Then paints of your choice, a brush and a pair of scissors. You'll also be needing a glue gun. So let's get started. The first step is to paint the corals and the rock. As you can see, I have 9 of the stick-like corals. You can use any number of your choice. So now I'm going to paint them. So here I have all the corals painted. Now we have to attach the thread to the corals. So here I have the thread which I'm going to be attaching it to the corals. So first we need a 30 centimeter long thread. So here I have a 30 centimeter long thread already cut. Next, because I am using 9 of the stick-like corals, I'm going to be cutting 9 10 centimeter long thread. Once you have all your thread cut, it's time to attach them to the corals. So now look for corals that have a hole in them. So if there is a hole, it's going to be easier for you to thread it in and tie it, or else you'll be needing a glue gun. So first let's start with the ones that have a hole. So here I have one and I'm going to thread it in and tie a knot securely. So once that is complete, we'll move on to a one that doesn't have a hole. So here I have this pink one. So take a thread and wrap it around the coral for roughly 3 times. Then take your glue gun and apply a little amount of glue in it. And again start wrapping your thread around the coral. Do all the rest the same way. For the center of our wind chime, we'll be needing the rock-like coral, the wooden circle, a bead and a needle with a 30 centimeter long thread. Tie a knot securely at the bottom of the 30 centimeter long thread. Tie a few knots so that it's nice and tight, because it's very important that it does not unravel. Then take a bead and thread it in. Next, take the wooden circle and thread that in as well. Now remove the needle and take the rock-like coral, wrap the thread around it a few times. Make sure to wrap it in the middle of the thread. Apply hot glue to secure the rock-like coral in position. Next, take the 10.5 centimeter wooden base that we saw earlier and place your corals around it as per your wish, however you want it to be. Then, if you want, you can cut the threads of the corals in various lengths. This can depend according to the size of the coral. Next, take hot glue and attach the coral firmly in position. Be very careful when using the hot glue gun. Make sure to evenly position the corals around this wooden circle. Next, take the center of the wind chime, place it in the center, and use hot glue gun to secure it in position as well. Next, you'll be needing 16 20 cm long thread. Divide them into groups of 4 and tie them together. Next, on the other side of the 10.5 cm base, place the 4 groups of thread around it and secure it with hot glue gun. But this time, because it's going to be supporting the entire weight of the wind chime, you'll also be using a couple pieces of tape to secure it in place. Now, take all 4 of them and tie them together. Make sure to position the knot at the center so that the wind chime is not lopsided. Then, take the 2 cm loop and wrap the ends of the knot around it and tie a knot. Also, don't forget to secure the knot in position with a little bit of hot glue. Cut the rest of the thread. Use hot glue. There you go! Your beautiful coral wind chime is now complete.
Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to Art Rocks, like, share and comment.